I figured I'd give everybody an update on the YardMax. There's about 6 to 8 10mm bolts that got to come off there, as Bandit's showing you. This cover has to come off. There's another cover underneath. This cover comes off, and then there's a shield attached to the spark plug wire. That's kind of what you couldn't see when I was taking it apart. The new carburetor cost about $39. There's the old one. The only thing I found wrong with the old one was there was dirt in the bowl. Probably could have rebuilt this one pretty easily. There's not much to them really, but so it's cleaned up and back in the box, and ready for the next time I need to replace it. But it was simple to replace. 2 bolts hold the carburetor on that hold all that stuff on. You just unhook the lines. They give you new lines and everything in the box. So you're good to go. The only thing they don't give you is a new gas line. Put the thing together, turned on the start, pulled the starter, and it fired right off. So just so you know, real easy to replace. I did video the whole thing, well, attempted to video the whole thing, and I ended up not hitting the record button. It was a new camera, so I wasn't sure how it worked, how well it worked, but that's kind of give you the update. The new carburetor's on it. And it, like I said, it fired right up. We also put a new plug in it just to make sure everything was good. Checked the oil and replaced it as needed. But that kind of gives you an update on everything. Out, Bull. Thanks for visiting Papa's Garage.